Okay, so in this video we're going to look at using the float CSS command. Now here we've just got an image. It's just a picture of Quinton and a paragraph. And then we're going to add a second paragraph in here. And we're going to wrap that text around the image. So let's take a look at how that works. Now technically you don't really wrap the text so much as you float the image. Okay, so let's have a look at how this works. Now he's given the image a class, profile pic, and when we put in the class we say the float on the pic is float left. And it floats it left. It's like the image doesn't kind of exist and everything kind of wraps around the image because it's floating on the left. Now what he's also done is add a margin there, just the margin of 10 pixels, just because it looked a bit weird. Now if you float something right, it goes to the right. And the margin's still there. He's got a margin of 10 pixels, which just keeps the words off that image. Okay, so back to floating left. Now, just make those paragraphs longer. Now, when he makes the paragraphs longer, you can see it goes around the text and then it wraps back around it, that oh my cheese. Now, the goal here is to get oh my cheese underneath that text. Underneath the image. So, new class for that called below, because we want it to go below the image. Now, when he does that, he says clear left. Let's just stop and think about what clear means. It means clear, like you clear a football, like you get rid of the football. He's clearing the image. He's getting away from the image. Let's keep looking at what happens here. Okay, oh my cheese gets away from the image and goes underneath it. Now, he's written clear left because the image is on the left. So if the image was on the right, he'd have to write clear right. But there's a smarter way to do this. Just do clear both. If you type in clear both, you're kind of hedging your bets. You're just saying, doesn't matter whether it's left or it's right, clear wherever it is. And here we have clear. Okay, it's really important that you understand float left or float right. Text can wrap around those things. And then it's also important that you understand that clear, move beyond that and go underneath it. Alright, that's float and clear.